Stay here with you. All that we have is each other.
Probably my gift.
I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love,
watching, you
giving
see
me
it.
your
My
love.
birthday.
All that we
You
have
know it's sitting with us. You guys, this is
promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough.
started with the show. And every Friday, fantasy and desire. Whenever you feel in the mood, join me on erotic short stories. Dirty discussions. Home girl. I don't even have to pay for Valentine's Day. It is a nice, strong, sturdy drink to get it poppin' this holiday season. Family, babies. I can't wait. If you're watching, you see a beautiful young woman sitting with us. You guys, this is a special licensed marriage and list, but I'm like, I'm the Hardy Clinic.
It's my birthday week. Yes, I'm born in February, the month of love. I'm full of love, if you want to know. And tell me why I have no plans for my birthday. Yeah, I have no plans for my birthday. I have been taking this week so slow. I got my nails done. I was trying to show you guys earlier. I got my nails done. I got a pedicure. I got to do my hair, which you've all seen in earlier clips. My Valentine was a blast. I really enjoyed my time with Doreen, and we are planning on doing more. And Doreen is suggesting we go for like brunch on Sunday. My birthday is actually on Sunday. I'm a 19th February girl, so yeah. So that is the only thing I have planned now. I'm actually very grateful for this new year added to my years of living, and I'm just so overwhelmed. I don't even know what I want to do right now. I remember the hair that I showed you earlier in my other vlog. It's in now. The girl got it down. She styled it and all, but it felt greasy. So I came home, washed it out, and this is how it looks. It still has the lace attached, but I have to like style it and all. One thing I'll do, if you do my hair for me, I'll end up styling it as I want it. So normally I just tell them to just do the wig. I'll come and do all the cutting and styling by myself. But it's like a 26 or 28 inches hair. Forgotten. 26, 28 inches. But I'll do the install here on my channel, or probably like short or TikTok or a reel, depending. But it feels so good. The hair is actually very good. It has like good quality. So this is the hair I'm going to wear for my birthday, and I think I'll install it on Saturday. Today is Thursday. I have to do like a quick run. Can you guys believe I twisted this kimono? It's so beautiful. I went to town and I saw it and I twisted it, and I'm so happy I did. It feels real good on me. So that's the update. Welcome to a new vlog. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and be a part of the family. Turn on the bell so you don't miss when I post. But yeah, that's the update. I'm going to leave you guys here and then get ready for the day. It's currently 2. I'm starting my day pretty late today because honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing. But let's get ready and go out. I have some things doing. I can do it when I'm out, and I'll catch you guys probably when I'm out or I'm home. Fix them.
닿듯 말 듯한 손끝 사이로 네 맘이 내게 온 건 어쩔 수 없지만
Hey, Doreen came to visit. She brought me my gifts. Thank you, darling. Thank you, darling. Thank you. She got something else.
That's not like me.
Well, let them see.
I bought you the necklace.
Oh, let's look at this.
What can I do? 배지를 돌려놓고 펜만 손에 쥐고 있어 I'm sick and tired 이렇게 세상이 가고 있어 Tell me what you wanna do 누군가 앞에 알려줘 What can I do? Beautiful nightmare 또 끌리고 있어 Beautiful nightmare no matter what you wanna do.
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have.
See you tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Happy birthday to me. It's my birthday. We're about to go out, but I don't think I'm going to take this camera. And it's Sunday. I think I'm going to end the vlog today, but we are going out. This is what I'm wearing with my heels.
I'm wearing this. I stole it. So, yeah.
I'm wearing, I don't know if it's Shein, Zara, and the skirt was twisted with this banana headband, and my hair is from IC Hair with my nails pink.
Caveman watch. And my dress is bad. Not great.
Going out, I would vlog when I get out with my phone, okay?